Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Erin, formerly a self-taught designer turned university professor with 10 years of client experience. If you clicked on this video, you're probably frustrated because every time you try to add a gradient to your text, nothing happens. Or you convert it to a shape first, and then this happens. In this video, we're going to fix all of that. First, make sure that you have your appearance panel and your gradient panel open. If you don't have those out, you can go to Window and find them under here. So now make sure your text is selected, and in the appearance panel, go ahead and click this filled in square at the bottom of the panel. This will add a new fill to your layer, and we can go ahead and grab that fill from the gradient panel right here. If you zoom in to your text, you might see a pixelated, darker outline, and that is from the original text sitting right underneath the gradient. So to delete that, let's go back into our appearance panel. We're going to have to double click on characters, and now just set your fill here to none. And now you'll see that that outline is gone. This method is considered non-destructive because you can still go back and edit your text. The next two methods are destructive because we will convert the text to shapes first. But before we continue, if you're finding this useful, help a girl out and give this video a thumbs up. It really supports my channel. All right, in this next method, let's grab our text with our Move tool, and we're going to convert it to a shape by going to Type, Create Outlines. And so it's no longer editable as a text. These all act as shapes. Now let's apply our gradient. And you'll see that it's not a very seamless gradient, but to fix that, let's open up our Pathfinder window. And we're going to click Unite, which is the first option under your shape modes. Now let's go to Object, Compound Path, and Make. Pretty simple. All right, and before I show you the final trick, just a quick reminder, I make free educational content every week, and the best way to support me is simply by subscribing. Please and thank you. So for the last method, after outlining your text and adding your gradient, noticing that it's not seamless, go ahead and select your text again and grab your gradient tool. This time grab it from the toolbar. And all you have to do is click and drag your gradient right across all of your shapes. You can drag it in a straight line. You can drag it at an angle to make it more angled. It's up to you. Voila! All right, if you enjoyed this video, YouTube will recommend another video for you to watch somewhere on the screen, so that way you can continue improving upon your graphic design skills. Thanks so much for watching.